Let's draw two beautiful pictures of Peppa Pig together. For the second drawing, we'll create Peppa Pig enjoying an ice cream. During the video, we'll also share a funny story about Peppa Pig with you. Peppa Pig woke up one sunny morning with a big idea. "Today, I want to draw something special," she declared. She quickly grabbed her sketchbook, crayons, and paints, and headed to the living room. George, her little brother, looked curious. "What are you going to draw, Peppa?" he asked, clutching his toy dinosaur. "I'm going to draw a picture of us playing in the mud," Peppa replied with excitement. Peppa started with a big splash of brown paint for the mud puddle. "George, stand still. I'm drawing you first," Peppa said. George giggled, and Peppa added two little piggy eyes, a round snout, and tiny arms holding a dinosaur. "Perfect. Now for me," she said as she began sketching her own face. Her bright pink color made the picture come to life. Just then, Mummy Pig walked in and smiled. "Peppa, that looks wonderful. But why don't you draw Daddy Pig too? He loves jumping in muddy puddles," she suggested. Peppa agreed and started drawing Daddy Pig, complete with his glasses and big round tummy. George added, "Don't forget his muddy boots." Peppa laughed and painted big yellow boots for Daddy Pig. Soon, the whole family joined in. Mummy Pig picked up a paintbrush to add the bright blue sky, while Daddy Pig drew a big sun with yellow rays. Even George got creative and added green grass around the mud puddle. "This is turning into a family masterpiece," Peppa exclaimed. But then, something funny happened. George accidentally knocked over the paint jar, spilling red paint all over the paper. "Oh no," he cried. Peppa looked at the mess and then burst into laughter. "It looks like we're jumping in a red mud puddle now," she said. Everyone laughed and decided to add more colors to make a rainbow puddle. By the time they finished, the painting was full of bright colors, happy piggy faces, and lots of imagination. Peppa stood back and admired their work. "This is the best drawing we've ever made," she said proudly. Daddy Pig nodded. "It's so good, we should hang it on the wall." The family framed their colorful artwork and put it in the kitchen. Every time they saw it, it reminded them of the fun day they had together. Art is even better when we do it as a family. Peppa said with a big smile. From that day on, Peppa and her family made it a tradition to paint and draw together. Whether it was mud puddles, dinosaurs, or family portraits, they discovered that creating art was a wonderful way to share laughter and love. And, of course, they always made time for a big jump in a real muddy puddle afterward. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.